Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to my channel, Aging Happily with Hilda. Are you or your loved one suffering from dehydration or having difficulties drinking water? If that is you, please watch this video to the end because I'm going to share some beautiful tips on how you can actually recognize dehydration symptoms. I will also be sharing the advantages or benefits of staying hydrated and how you can actually encourage somebody who doesn't like to drink at all to drink even better. My name is Hilda, and if this is your first time to my channel, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified each time a video is uploaded. And don't forget to share your own beautiful tips about hydration and dehydration in the comment section below. Thank you very much. And how can you recognize dehydration symptoms? Dry mouth, dry tongue, thick saliva. Someone complain of headache all the time, inability to urinate, and even when they do, the urine is usually too dark. Irritability all the time. Someone is crying, but you see no tears running down the cheeks. Complaining of cramps in the limbs, always. If you get somebody who is bringing this to you all the time, no, they are suffering from dehydration. And you want to take action right away because dehydration is more than what we think. Its negative consequences can be devastating. So you don't want to take long. You don't want to wait until it gets worse before you take an action. Take it right away, especially with those older adults. And what are the benefits of staying hydrated? Yeah, before getting to it, do you actually know that water can sustain life? Yes, it does. Water improves digestion. Older people who tend to consume enough, who drink enough water, suffer less constipation. And this is actually going to help them from not depending so much on laxative to be able to pass out feces, something they could do naturally just by drinking water. Also, someone who is staying hydrated is at low risk of fall, and the risk of acquiring any heart disease is really minimized. And for men, it minimizes the risk of having bladder or colorectal cancer. And knowing all these advantages, these benefits of staying hydrated, how can you encourage someone who doesn't like to drink at all to drink better? Increase water intake slowly. Then expect somebody who don't like to drink or to start off with a liter of water a day. That is overwhelming. That is too much. You want to take some baby steps to be able to achieve that goal. Do it slowly. The main thing here is to be consistent. Be slow, but stay consistent. Because if you do that way, at one moment they will really believe it's part of their routine and they will drink effortlessly. So make sure that you do it slowly, take it slowly. It could just be half a glass or a glass of water to start off with and do it slowly, but remain consistent. Again, you want to encourage your loved ones not to wait until they are feeling thirsty before they ask for a drink. There are so many ways that you can actually avoid this from happening in the first place. I actually got this water bottle. I find it to be very easy, especially for those older adults. You got this handle that someone even on a wheelchair or using crutches can easily handle it. It is having a lever behind here, very easy to click on. Just with a simple click, the TPS open and it's very easy to drink from. What you want to do is you make sure this is accessible. Keep it close to them and ensure it is refilled all the time. And each time you pass by, you want to remind them that they need to drink, because you think it's funny, it's not funny. They forget. Actually, sometimes the older adults, especially, they forget that they want to drink water or they need to drink water, just like any other activity. So you want to remind them. So it remains in their subconscious, and all the time they will feel like they have to do something, and that should be their water bottle they want to grab. So let it accessible, and that way you are sure that they are going to drink enough. It is not too fancy, but there are some fancy ones that actually having like a lid here just for safety. But if you can't have it, this will do the job. I think I got this for about 12 bucks. I didn't remember where I bought it, but it's quite good. Very easy. Not too heavy. You want to put maybe just half, fill it just half this bottle each time you want to refill. And also you want to check to see that urine is not too dark. That is pale yellow or clear. That is actually a way to tell you that they are actually staying hydrated. What about sport drinks? If you notice these symptoms well ahead of time, it is advised to give them sport drinks. It's actually going to replenish the body's water and the electrolytes that their systems need to be able to function properly. And don't forget to reach out to your doctor if the symptoms are getting worse. It is very, very important. As I mentioned earlier, dehydration is not something to play with, especially with the elderly. Also, you want to avoid caffeinated drinks, beverages with caffeine. It is actually because of the diuretic effect, as they can actually drain water from your system easily. So you want to avoid caffeinated drinks or alcohol. That way, somehow you are still staying hydrated. These are all the tips I got to share, guys, today. I believe you love this video, and please make sure you leave those comments about this video or your own tips about hydration in the comment section. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Love you all.